Has anybody ever been here during the winter time? Yeah, this island. This right here, guys. So this point on the trail is actually up above, about a mile past Tanakapiai. Almost 1,000 feet up. You know where you're going, you can actually angle your legs over the side of the cliff right here. Over vertical draw. The Hawaiians call this area Ho'olulu, which means the resting place. Right here is called
そこに鳥がいっぱいなんです。
means the water from the teeth of the gods, or the water from the heavens. And this is where people camp if they can't make it all the way in one day. The largest valley that was built in is also where Jordan ancient people live. That's in this valley. And their main commodity here was farming. They grew a lot of taro. I don't know if you guys know what that is. That's what you see on the side of the road when you go into Honolulu.
Along with a lot of places.
This is an open sailing cave.
Lock in the best
You guys ever heard of Mary J. Blige? Really? She did a music video here on this rock.